हेलो, आज हम बात करेंगे चैप्टर 2 विग लैंड मासेस एंड वाटर मासेस. Land of the earth is separated into largest landmass called it contains. There are 7 contains in the world. They are Australia, Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America and Antarctica. आज हम बात करेंगे यहाँ पे कि जो हमारे कंटेन्स हैं वो 7 है और उनके बारे में हम एक्सप्लेन करेंगे. लुक एट दिस मैप. इस मैप में हमें यहाँ पे प्रॉपर तरीके से डिस्क्राइब किया गया है कंटेन्स एंड ओशियंस ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. ओके, कंटेन्स. तो फर्स्ट है हमारा एशिया. एशिया इज सिचुएटेड इन द ईस्टर्न एंड नॉर्थर्न हेमिस्फेयर. इट इज़ अ कंटेन ऑफ डाइवर्सिटी ऑन वन हैंड. It is a home to some of the richest and the most developed economics in the world, like Japan and Korea, and on the others, it is also the home of the poorest country in the world. This contains has the highest point on the earth in the form of Mount Everest in the Himalayas. Asia has the lowest place on the land in the form of the Dead Sea, as well as the widest variety of plants and animals too. Asia is divided into the following geographical regions: Central Asia, East Asia, North Asia, South East Asia, Iranian Plateau, Far East, South Asia, Indian subcontinent and Southwest Asia. Mount Everest, look at here. So यहाँ पे पिक्चर दी गई है. And Asia has a diverse variety of climate due to its vast size. During summer, the wind blow from the seas into the south to the southeast. The weather remains hot during this time. April to October is the time for rain in the contains. यहाँ का जो बारिश का टाइम है वो अप्रैल से अक्टूबर तक का है. एशिया क्लाइमेट इज highly influenced by the winds called monsoons, which blow regularly in the same direction during certain seasons. It blows from the north to east during winter, which causes cold and dry weather. The eastern part of the contains experience the heaviest rainfall. The amount of the rainfall describes as one goes away from the sea. Africa is the second largest contain and the second most populous contain in the world after Asia. It is often described by the outsider as the dark content of or the guarded and mankind. Africa is immensely rich in minerals and natural resources. The contains is bordered by the Red Sea and the Suez Canal to the northeast, Mediterranean Sea to the north, the Atlantic Ocean to the west, and the Indian Ocean to the southeast, through the forest of the Congo basin, as well as the coastal region in the western part of the contain witness rainfall throughout the year. The rest of the contain experience of 1 or 2 seasons of heavy rainfall spared by dry spells. Asia is also contained that boast of rich variety of wildlife and biological research, the previsions of which contains to be changed for conversations from across the world. Asia is also the contain the boast of rich variety of wildlife and biological research, the prevision of which contains to be a challenge for conversations from across the world. Many of the constituent countries in the content and still undergoing the process of national building to achieve integrations with the rest of the world. North America. North America is the third largest contain after Asia and Africa. It is located in the northern and western hemisphere of the earth. It is surrounded by North Atlantic Ocean in the east, Arctic Ocean in the north, North Pacific Ocean in the west, and Caribbean Sea and South America in the southeast. The contain also has a very rich minerals and others natural resources. Besides this, various national park of this contains after some of the most spectacular hippopotamus in the world. Yellowstone, the world's first national park, is among them. Majorities of a area of the North America contains are occupied by two of the world's most developed countries, US and Canada. Greenland covered with ice. Look at here. ग्रीनलैंड जो है पूरा आइस से कवर हुआ है. नॉर्थ अमेरिका इज़ द ओनली कंटेन दैट हैज़ एवरी काइंड ऑफ क्लाइमेट रेंजिंग फ्रॉम ड्राई to better cold of the Arctic to the steamy heat of the tropics. The treeless plains of the far North America and American tundra only sea temperature rising above the freezing point during the summer only for short direction. The east of contain remains cold during the winter and have a mild winter and long hot summers. Other parts have a short summers and harsh winters. The interior for Greenland remains covered with ice and the temperature hardly rises above freezing point. South America contains almost 3.5 of the Earth's surface, often referred to as the Latin America. South America has the greatest north-south expectations. It is the fourth largest continent in the world, located in the western hemisphere, and in the southern hemisphere a small part of the continent. It's also located in the northern hemisphere. South America is surrounded by Antarctic Ocean in the east and north, and Caribbean Sea and North America in the northwest, and Pacific Ocean in the west, with an area is 17,840,000 square km, and high mountains and the highland areas extend up to different evolution levels, which together contribute to its diverse climate. The Amazon forest of this contains are the largest and densest of forest in the world. Most part of South America experiences warm weather throughout